Welcome people, welcome back to the channel. You know it's a girl, Yadi Girl, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to check out from the Premises app to your PayPal plus their new update. But before we get into the video, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe at the end of the video.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a...
So to get things started, right, we're going to start off with the new changes that them have, right? So let's see what the new changes is about. I'm just going to left this on the screen and let you guys read it for a while. So the reason why you are seeing it like this is because we already complete it, right? We already complete it. That's why I'm not see it like this. But the thing is, this a task you're gonna get paid for. Them only not tell about the changes and stuff like that, and them limit the surveys them, right? Cause from this month there's only one task may complete. So let me show you now. See there? From July the 6th, that was the last time I completed one survey, and June the 29th. So my two last survey was June the 29th to July the 6th. And from that, I'm gonna get no more survey to complete. So it's like them have a updated thing. The Jamaicans and some other countries will barely receive tasks, right? So if you still want to continue to use it, it's up to you, but I'm not sure I will continue to use this app because every time I go on, I never get any survey if you do. And the thing is, it with them do again, them update the payment method, right? First time the payment, the cash out method was $5. So for the mobile top up, you would have to reach $5 if you do a mobile top up. And same thing for the PayPal, you would have to reach $5 to do a PayPal cash out. But now them update it and put it to $1. So if you complete a survey and reach $1, you can cash it out. For the Pioneer now, them not change anything for the Pioneer. So if you guys want to continue use this app, you can, but for me I don't think I want to continue use it. And to be honest, it's really legit and stuff like that, but I'm not getting any tasks to complete, so I don't think I will be using it anymore. So now I'm going to show you guys how to cash out. So whether you have $1 and overs, you can cash it out either to your PayPal, Pioneer, or you can do a mobile top up once you reach $1 or over. So now I'm going to show you guys how to cash out. I'm going to cash out my $6. I'm going to cash out $6 and left the 87 cents. Right, so I'm just going to select cash out. Then I'm going to select PayPal. The reason why you see balance is too low on the Pioneer part is because when I reach $20 and the amount to check out to Pioneer is $20. So the minimum cash out is $1. And this is my PayPal email. I'm going to blank that out. And I'm going to add I'm going to select next. After I select next, I'm going to select cash out at the bottom. By tab, and as I can see, until by cashing out, your request will be submitted, which cannot be changed or cancelled. In most cases, this transaction takes 2 to 3 business days to complete. So I'm just gonna select cash out. And there guys, as you can see, it's pending. Yeah, so I cash out my $6.87 to my PayPal. Hey guys, that's it for the video. If you want to continue use the app, you can, but for me, I don't think I will be continue using it because I'm not getting any task. If you guys wanna continue use it, you can, but for me, I'm no longer gonna use this app. And let me know in the comments if this help or not, and don't be afraid to ask questions, alright people? And also remember to like, comment, share, and show your support.